When it comes to staying organized and managing creative projects, two apps tend to stand out: Todoist and Microsoft To Do. Both are great at helping you track tasks, set priorities, and stay focused, but they approach productivity in different ways. If you are a creator juggling multiple projects, ideas, and deadlines, choosing the right one can make a big difference in your daily flow. Let's break down how they compare. Todoist has built a reputation as one of the most flexible and polished task managers available. Its design is minimal but powerful, giving you structure without getting in your way. You can create tasks, subtasks, projects, and labels, and easily assign priorities or due dates. For creators, this means you can build a personal system that fits the way you work. Maybe you want a separate project for content planning, client work, and personal goals. Todoist handles that effortlessly. One of Todoist's best features is natural language input. You can type something like, "Edit podcast episode tomorrow at 10 a.m., and it automatically schedules it. That kind of quick entry keeps your workflow smooth, especially when ideas strike and you need to capture them fast. Todoist also supports recurring tasks, comments, file attachments, and integrations with other apps like Google Calendar and Slack. Now, Microsoft To Do takes a simpler, more minimalist approach. It's perfect if you want something intuitive, lightweight, and tightly connected to the Microsoft ecosystem. The interface feels calm and clean, making it easy to add tasks, set reminders, and organize lists without distractions. If you are already using Outlook, Teams, or OneNote, Microsoft To Do integrates beautifully with those tools. Tasks you create in Outlook, for example, automatically appear in To Do, keeping everything connected. For creators who are already working inside the Microsoft environment, this integration can save a lot of time. You can quickly turn an email into a task or link To Do with your calendar for better scheduling. The My Day feature is another standout. It helps you focus on what matters most each day by letting you pick specific tasks to highlight. It feels less like a rigid system and more like a daily productivity ritual. So which one is better for creators? If you thrive on structure, love detailed organization, and want full control over your projects, Todoist is hard to beat. It gives you the flexibility to design your own productivity system that grows with your creative workflow. But if you want something simple, beautifully integrated, and easy to maintain day after day, Microsoft To Do is an excellent companion. Both apps help you manage tasks, focus on what matters, and stay productive in your creative life. The real choice depends on whether you want a powerful system like Todoist or a light integrated approach like Microsoft To Do. Either way, both will help you spend less time managing your to-do list and more time creating the work that matters most.